So, certainly a beautiful day to be out on the trails. You certainly cannot put a price on freedom, freedom to travel and roam, freedom of speech and expression, freedom of choice, peaceful protest of innocence. You can't beat being out in the real world. You really do have to disconnect to reconnect to the real world. Meet real people, have real conversations that cannot be banned, blocked, deleted, censored by the goons on big tech social media. Ban and blocking the truth and everyone's freedom of speech and expression. And as always, all to cover up high crimes, and certainly not mine. And that's something that we've really witnessed over the last several years. Anyone exposing the truth will be banned, blocked, deleted, punished, blacklisted, shadow banned by the goons on big tech social media. Complicit in high crimes, covering up high crimes. But the goons on big tech social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, cannot stop the truth, freedom of speech and expression, and the truth is coming out like a flood, will reach them all, exposing the high crimes, the monster lies and the cover-ups. A big gathering today in London, unite the kingdom. Lots of people have certainly said enough is enough for all the government corruption and high crimes that everyone is forced to pay for. And everyone is forced to comply, conform, consent, obey and confess their monster lies are true. And if you will not comply, conform, consent, obey and confess their monster lies are true, then they will fix you. But the truth is the truth, and a monster lie is a monster lie. And again, they do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields. How do I know? Little birdie told me so. So certainly not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. And 7 Facebook accounts burned down recently since the latest release of the Epstein files. Facebook really could not handle the truth. The corrupt powers that be, they do not want you to see, do not want you to know. And they will make more than your social media accounts disappear for exposing the truth. And my 28th TikTok account burned down in the last couple of days for sharing a video about the rains list. It looks like it's going to rain soon. And as always, you can Google the rains list or look up the rains list on YouTube. It's disclosed in the rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims, human hunting parties, human hunting, feasting, blood drinking, harvesting adrenochrome, which is also all coming out in the Epstein files. Pizzagate was not a conspiracy, it was all true. So horrendous crimes committed by people in high places, including the goons on big tech social media. There's a young deer over there. So sometimes innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear follow your golden compass, for you do get boxed up, locked up, or done in, disappeared one way or another. Again, all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder. Certainly not mine. You do have to go, run free. They certainly will box you up, lock you up, or get you done in. And some people do like their blood sport, others their blood money, human hunt 'em. Cruise on my frame fixed tail in Diss, Norwich, Safewold, North Norfolk coast, Derbyshire and the Lake District. All looking to bag a framed fixed black cat, but no Black Panther. Sandringham serial killer here. I did speak to the police in every location, who only turned a blind eye. Government sanctioned crews, licensed to kill and make a problem disappear. And the police at Windermere, Cumbria in the Lake District said, "Johnny, this is really strange. We've never known this." They had my driver's license, which they knew was genuine. They couldn't get my details up. They said, "It's like you've been erased, Johnny, or people in high places want you permanently erased, or to cover up their high crimes, royal blue murder." Certainly not mine. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. And as always, that is the word that came off the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, loud and clear. How do I know? Little birdie told me so. So they do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields. And there is a plane over there. You just see it before it goes behind the trees. So sometimes innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear, follow your golden compass. Again, before you do get boxed up, locked up, or done in, all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder. Certainly not mine. So will you escape in time? Will you get out alive? 85 seconds to midnight. Time is running out. And the storm is coming.